When designing slides in PowerPoint, using the mouse for every command can be slow and inefficient. That's why knowing the essential keyboard shortcuts can make a huge difference in your workflow and presentation delivery. In this video, we will walk through the most important shortcuts you need to use PowerPoint more efficiently and create slides much faster. While editing your slides, there are a few basic and extremely useful shortcuts that can help speed up your design process. For example, using Ctrl D allows you to quickly duplicate any selected object. This is ideal when you need to copy shapes, text boxes, or images without having to go through multiple steps. Another shortcut is Ctrl G, which lets you group multiple selected items together, so you can move or resize them as a single unit. Of course, the standard shortcuts also apply. Ctrl C is used to copy an element, and Ctrl V to paste it. These are among the most frequently used shortcuts in all Microsoft Office programs, and they work exactly the same way in PowerPoint. When it comes to delivering your presentation, there are also specific keys that can help you manage your slideshow more effectively. Pressing F5 will start your presentation from the beginning. This is especially helpful when you're practicing or presenting from the first slide. If you want to exit the slideshow at any time, simply press the ES key to return to the editing view. By remembering and practicing these basic but powerful keyboard shortcuts, you can save valuable time during slide creation and maintain better control during your presentations. Mastering these keys is a simple yet effective way to enhance your productivity in PowerPoint 365.